Hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today, and we're going to be talking about bread. I noticed some of you troopers have asked me, what kind of bread do you use with that sandwich, with this? And I thought I would just take the time to let you know which ones I use. There's a choice. I either use Trader Joe's Flourless bread, which is this one, or I use Ezekiel Bread. Now, the Trader Joe's is less expensive and has fewer ingredients. However, the Ezekiel Bread, which I'm sure many of you are familiar with, has more ingredients and it's more expensive. Not by much, maybe $1 between the two. Now, this is how it looks. This is the Flourless bread by Trader Joe. This is a slice of the Ezekiel bread. You can kind of tell the difference. This one, Ezekiel's a little bit darker. This one is a little bit bigger. The calorie count is 80 for both of them. The amount of sodium is 160 milligrams for the Ezekiel bread. For the Trader Joe bread. And it's 75 for the Ezekiel bread. The Trader Joe's bread uses organic ingredients. However, the Ezekiel bread uses more organic ingredients. Neither one of them use flour. And I think that when you're trying to eat healthier, that to have a bread that doesn't have so much flour in it is good because you get more chew to it. And you get fuller. It's a complex carbohydrate, and I think you enjoy it more. This bread is great for toast, just plain old toast. It's good for if you want to make French toast. You can use it for a sandwich. You can also use it for breadcrumbs. This makes great breadcrumbs. I'm coming back in to let you know that when I eat this type of bread, I stay fuller longer and I feel better. And so I know that if you would try it, the same thing may happen to you. So back to the video. One of my favorite things to do is to take a slice of bread, toast it, put a little nut butter on it with some raisins, and just eat it. It's wonderful. It's a nice snack. Drink a glass of water. You'll feel wonderful after you've eaten it. I don't know how many other things I could tell you. What other things should I tell them? The slice count is the same for both. Both are 20 ounces. There are 20 slices of bread in each. So, and the size, if you notice, thickness, yes, that's perfect. The thickness is about the same. Other thing about these two breads. Trader Joe's, you can only get at Trader Joe. However, Ezekiel bread has come into just about every local grocery store in my area. Check your local grocery store. It's not just sold at Whole Foods anymore. It's sold in local grocery stores. In the freezer section, go into the freezer section and look for where they usually have pizza dough and breads and things like that. They may have this as well. Okay? So the availability is more readily, though you will pay a little more. Neither have any cholesterol. They both have 5 grams of protein in each slice. So there's a lot of things that are the same and a few things that are different. So if you want a really good whole grain bread, I would try either one of these. I eat them both, but you could try this one or this one. These are sprouted grains. The grains are sprouted, and both of them are. This one only has the sprouted wheat berries. This one, I do want to tell you this. This one has 7 different grains. This one has the sprouted wheat. It has sprouted barley, millet, malted barley, sprouted lentils, sprouted soybeans, and sprouted spelt. Okay? So we have a lot more sprouted grains in this one than in this one. So, if you want a good bread for all the things I've mentioned before, use either the Ezekiel bread, higher price point, or the Trader Joe's flourless sprouted grain bread. Okay? If you have any questions, I hope I can answer them, but you could ask. And until then, don't forget to give me a thumbs up on the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video from Evan and I it's uploaded, you will get the notification. Okay? So troopers, until I talk with you again and you come into my kitchen, bye for now.